Hey, what's going on, everybody? We are going to give you guys an update. A lot of people have been asking what's going on with the C10. What are you guys up to? What progress have you made? What are your plans for it? So check it out. So here it is. Let's jump into our... So the first thing we did was the dashboard, whatever you want to call it, was wrecked. It was destroyed, cracks all up in it. It was brown, not quite matching what's going on here, even though our seat belts are still tan, brownish. The carpet's brown. So, you know, we're taking baby steps here. The first thing we did was we went out to our boys at Brothers, and we got this nice cup holder. Kind of cool. So pop that down, you'll slide this bad boy in there. Boom, we got cup holders. Talking about what's important. You know, you don't need all the fancy stuff, but if you got your cup holders for your half calf, decaf, cremo latte, then you're set. So anyway, take that bad boy out. So the dash pad's in the garage. I'll take a look at that in a second, but we kind of left things open because this currently has a stock, it's got a stock ECU or stock computer kind of hiding in the back there behind the glove box. So, and it does okay. The problem with it is it needs a little bit of a tune, and I really don't want to go bring it to somebody right now at this point in the, you know, in our stage here. We just want to get something a little better. So what we did was we reached out to Holly, and our good friends at Holly hooked us up with the Terminator Max EFI. So we got that. We got the whole entire wiring harness. It's the full kit. It's got the sensors, the little computer, or the display. Computer's behind that. But so that's going on next. We're gonna put that on because we just want this thing to run a little bit better. So and be able to kind of tune things up as we will. The other thing that's going on right about the same time will be the line lock. The line lock is essential. You definitely need a line lock to improve performance. Yes, I said improve performance. While you're on the road being a silly goose, doing kind of crazy stuff. So let's see what else we did. So what else happened was Milestar Tires has hooked us up with a set of some street tires. Let's take a look at it here. So we took off, it had the old pinstripe kind of white walls on there before. Now got the white letters, the Milestar. Kind of cool. I kind of dig them. It looks pretty good. Overall, the stance is super nice. The other thing that's going on is inside the original paint here. Oh, you know where's that? I think it's over here. Let's see. Look in here. So let's take a look here. Yeah, I'm just taking a look here at the parts ID plate that comes with the truck. Had wood grain, fleet side pickup, V8 engine. Let's see here, chrome, gauges, Spanish gold over white. So as you can see, this truck was originally the Spanish gold. Super digging that. I really like it, but unfortunately the owners before, or even before that, kind of went with this I don't know what you call this. It's a grayish, greenish kind of look. But anyway, so what I did was went inside, I took a pressure washer, and inside the bed got rid of most of the paint. Still have a little bit more to do, but really digging what it's looking like inside here. So yeah, so with the paint, right now we're just going to do the rest of the bed. We'll get this all back to its original color because we like the Spanish gold with some of that patina happening there. For now, you know, we'll just leave it as is. Both the rear panels there also are kind of the gold. Oh, we did upgrade the lights. We got some new LED lights here, which are super kind of cool. So the other thing we did was we pulled this dash or this bezel out. It was black, but it had a brown overlay on it, a bunch of sticky stuff all over it. Cleaned it all up, painted it, and you know what? To my surprise, God, it actually looks pretty darn good. Instead of going out and spending a few $100 on a whole new one, got that all painted up. Also got this all painted up as well. This came out super clean. Took the logo off, painted it. Looks pretty good, so can't wait to get that all back together. Oh, I guess we should pop the hood and see what's going on inside. So here's where we're at inside. The only thing we've done here is we put a few, let's see, what did we do? Oh, we end up, we had to do a little something with the front shocks. The top bolts there were super janky, super loose. So right now, we've got these shocks in here, but we are going to, well, I'll break the news in a second. Anyway, so this is, you know, we haven't done too much here. We just kind of been driving it. It was already a LS swap. You just added a big old freaking tube there just to try to get some cool air into it. But with regards to the suspension, I do have to say what's coming very, very soon will be a front coilover conversion kit from our good friends at Alden American. So a huge shout out to Alden American. They are hooking us up with some nice set of coilover conversion for the front. For the rear, I'm not sure what we're doing, if we're doing shocks or coilovers, but the cool thing is we're gonna be heading out over to their shop. We will be doing the install there, and you might see the install video, and maybe it might be in a couple photos of a magazine, so we'll see. Anyway, just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update, where the truck's at, kind of what's going on. Like I said, I know a lot of people have been asking since we got it, but just been super busy with a lot of stuff going on, and we just had our first big cruise, which you'll see in the, if you go to our videos right now and you look at our videos before, we did a South Bay cruise night. It's our first one since the whole quarantine shutdown. So anyway, thanks for watching. We'll definitely keep you updated. If you guys have any questions, comments, or even suggestions, please leave them in the comments below to let us know what we're doing right, what we're doing wrong. Oh, I forgot to show. So this is the dash pad. So as you can see, we've got some pretty big cracks here. We did fill it in with a little bit of foam. It only took a couple minutes, not trying to do this super right. But, and then we used a little bit of some spray paint and just painted it. Don't think I'll stick with it. I'm actually probably going to do something different. I'm not sure what it is. I have a couple ideas, but if you guys have some suggestions, should we just stay with this pad, maybe try and improve upon fixing the cracks? Or should we do the plastic overlay that they sell? It's like $150. or just go ahead. I think there's dash pads that are, I don't know, 300 bucks. But we're not trying to spend too much crazy money on that, so I don't know if anybody's out there would like to even hook us up, sponsor us, let us know. Anyway, like I said, again, please let us know. This is our C10 here. We're just playing around with it, so if you guys have any suggestions, comments, ideas, let us know. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you guys soon. See ya.
Yeah.